Hello and welcome to another episode of the Classic Mini Hub.
In today's episode, I'm replacing the starter motor solenoid as sometimes the car doesn't start. I think the contacts are worn out due to the solenoid shaft hammering them over the years. The first thing to do is remove the solenoid. This is just two small bolts, then disconnect all the cables. It's also a good idea to disconnect the battery before you do this. So I took apart the old solenoid, and yes, as you can see, the contacts are very worn. Now it's time to put the new solenoid in and reconnect all the wires. This was just a quick video to show progress on the Mini, and it's not a full guide on changing a solenoid. Right, let's see if it turns over. I won't be starting the engine, I just want to see if it turns over. Yes, it does. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.